You have seen the title till now and you know what's coming. But today, I'm not coming up with any dry tutorial where I will be suggesting some features of ChatGPT 5.1 or some technicalities of Gemini 3. No, that literally ends today. So hi, I'm Muskan Saini and welcome back to Get Assist. I want to tell you that these two AI giants have helped me build my livelihood every day. Yet, I have not put them together on a head-to-head test. But, my friends, for a better work delivery and production workflow, I need to know that who is better than the other. So we are bringing a live battle today and I am going to give them some routine tasks. So we are judging them on three top things: speed, accuracy, and pure creativity. There are no opinions, no biasness. You will get the hard, cold, and definitive results till the end of the video, and you will get to know who is the undisputed content creation champion. Ready? Let the battle begin. So, the first test will be based on content creation quality. So, for the content creation quality, here's the prompt. So, to check out the content creation quality, here I'm giving prompt to both ChatGPT 5.1 and Gemini 3. So, let's test the results. Okay, I can see that Gemini has given a better speed. We can say both has given a head start when it comes to speed. Okay, so we have the scripts from both of them. And for the topic I wanted, the script was why AI will replace 40% of jobs by 2030. So let's get to the verdict now. So now you know, and I have witnessed the same thing. So as the result generated by the ChatGPT includes more engaging hooks and some neutral and factual information, whereas the Gemini has given the script that sounds more conversational and creator-like, and also included some of the SEO basics. So, according to me, I will be giving the point to ChatGPT 5.1. So now it's time for one of my favorite parts, that is the image generation test. So I have prepared a better and challenging prompt for both of them, and let's see who nails this round. So the next we are going to test the image generation with both the models. So here's the prompt. In the prompt, I have asked to create a visually striking digital illustration for your YouTube thumbnail. So I'm really excited to see the results now. Okay. So as you can see that Gemini has created it first and the ChatGPT is still working. So when it comes to speed, the crown goes to Gemini. Okay, I think we need to wait a little more for the ChatGPT 5.1 results. And here's the picture from both the models. Yeah, so according to me, the final verdict will be, alright, that was the live image generation test. Both ChatGPT 5.1 and Gemini 3 has performed a solid job and made it difficult for me to choose the best one. But here's what I noticed. So ChatGPT gave us more a readable text and a clean image with good compositions. But Gemini has delivered more dynamic visuals, creative energy, bold colors, and the best text placement in lesser time. So, if we are scoring for creativity, prompt accuracy, and YouTube thumbnail readiness, so this point goes with Gemini 3. Wow! So, the last one, we are going to test the professional productivity task that I perform as a content creator at GetAssist with the help of both AI models. Last but not the least, we are going to test the daily professional productivity tasks. And I want ChatGPT 5.1 and Gemini 3 to create a YouTube content calendar for obviously Get Assist. So let's give the prompt and wait for the results. Okay, Gemini has also. Okay, Gemini has beaten ChatGPT in speed. Wait a minute. Okay, so I have tested both the results and the final verdict is alright. That wraps up the YouTube content calendar prompt challenge. This is the kind of task I actually use AI for my day-to-day work. So as per my observation, what stand out to me is how ChatGPT handled clarity and given out the clean structure, whereas Gemini's intent was clear, but it may require some more prompts and heavy editings. Where the title, concept, and call to action directly impact my channel revenue. So, this point decisively goes to ChatGPT 5.1. Wow! And just like that, the battle is over. 3 rounds, 3 real life testing, prompt challenges, and here are the final results. So, the undisputed content creation champion is ChatGPT 5.1. This battle was just a test of what AI models can do. I want to know what you think is the ultimate test. Drop a comment down below right now and tell me what specific tasks or prompt or what why criteria you want me to test for you. So that's a wrap for this video. I'll see you in the comments below and in the next video.